Thank you very much, Dr. Atwoli. I think that's the shortest speech you've given in a long time. Congratulations. I'll also be very quick. Your Excellency, Dr. William Samoei Ruto, President of the Republic of Kenya, Commander-in-Chief of the Kenya Defence Forces, Honorable Musalia Mudavadi, Excellency, Prime Cabinet Secretary, my colleagues, Honorable Eric Muga, Minister for Water, and Honorable Geoffrey Ruku of Public Service, PS Shadrach Mwadime, Karen Agengo, and Joseph Motari from my ministry and other principal secretaries, Honorable Justice Bira Mogaya of the Labor and Employment Court, and other honorable judges who are here, the chairman and executive board members of COTU, Sister Jacqueline Mugo, executive director of FKE, international partners, our friends from Misri, Karibu, distinguished guests. Your Excellency, sir, the Ministry of Labor and Social Protection is on steroids to ensure labor, which is one of the 4 factors of production, is nurtured to play its role in the development of Kenya as per your amazing economic plan. We're in a country that is in a rapid movement towards industrialization and manufacturing, and labor will play a very important role. We are embarking on various areas of providing employment to our people. One, we anticipate that we are going to create over 500,000 jobs overseas, and we continue to put in place measures to ensure safe and orderly and regular migration and mobility. We have started dismantling cartels who had controlled this space for years, and we will continue to do so despite their theatrics. We have a program of Kazi Mtandaoni, Your Excellency, which you've launched, and by 2022 we approximately had 2 million Kenyans working in digitally enabled jobs, and the numbers are growing. It's a major growth, and we will be addressing some of the challenges, including the digital skill gap, unequal access technology, and other resources. Mheshimiwa Atwoli has talked about the challenges we are facing in social media. It's also an area that we need to have a conversation about to see how we can direct our energies from negativity to positivity so that we don't pull each other down. We have a program of Kazi Baharini, whereby we estimate to employ more people as seafarers and to work in the ocean, but there's a small challenge of seafarers' identification documents which need to be issued to revamp training curriculum of seafarers and give them opportunities. We have Kazi Kwa Ground, Juakali sector, Ujenzi sector. Thank you for the National Housing Program that is doing very well, affordable housing program, providing livelihood to millions of people by extension by the workers that are working there. Your Excellency, there are a few challenges impeding progress of the programs. For example, we have cartels and rogue agencies that are taking advantage of vulnerable Kenyans. We have fake news on low labor mobility pathways are being used to either mislead our youth or try to discourage them, and we are dealing with them. And must be treated with respect. Recognition of the human dignity is a right and must be safeguarded at all times. Workers must be paid rightful legal wages, including overtime, and treated fairly without discrimination, and they should also enjoy decent work conditions. Workers in turn also need to be obedient, faithful, and dedicated to their employers because it is a relationship. Workers need to identify the few among them who steal from the employers and try to bring down the same business that is employing them. So we are going to ensure that workers and working conditions are set by the law and that people can go to work and work well. Your Excellency, kuko na shida kidogo. I get a lot of reports in my office about sexual harassment. Sexual harassment in our workplaces. Nataka kuambia Wakenya kwamba mrembo akiandikwa, our sister, our children, our daughters, akiandikwa kazi, usianze kumpangia, unaanza kumnyemelea, na akikukataa unamfuta kazi. unaanza kumuharas. We must ensure there is a safe working environment for our young girls and even our young boys. That power dynamics is something that we'll be talking about. A manager should not be dating a junior in the same office because of those power dynamics. Soko ni kubwa Kenya hii, angalia kila mahali. Soko ni kubwa, wachana na wafanyikazi wanaofanya kazi na wewe. And we will not continue with this habit, and we will take measures to ensure there is no sexual harassment in our workplaces. Your Excellency, savings is critical. We're encouraging all workers to ensure they have a savings plan, either through the NSSF, or if you're not employed, you're self-employed in the Jua Kali sector, in SMEs, NSSF has a harbor-to-harbor program, or where you can actually continue saving. It is important. Waswahili walisema ya kwamba ujana kama moshi ukienda haurudi. You are young today and vibrant. Hakuna kitu kibaya kama kuwa mzee ambaye hana pesa. You save today for tomorrow. And we're encouraging all workers, wherever you are, to engage and register for a savings program. Mheshimiwa Atoli, I want to assure you that ratification of the conventions 188 and 199 is en route. I've held a meeting with my staff. I've talked to the PCS, and we are going to accelerate, together with other important laws that make sure that our people are given the rights that they deserve. Your Excellency, social dialogue is important. I'll be calling a meeting very soon between COTU, FKE, and all other social partners to discuss on working modalities. Strikes. At the end of a strike, people sit down and talk. And I want to encourage all workers. If there's a problem, talk to me. Let us sit down and discuss the problem before the strike, not sit down after the strike. And I can assure you we will be able to sort out many problems so that people do not go on strike, so that we have a country that is moving forward. Lastly, Your Excellency, I want to echo the words of Mheshimiwa Atoli. You know, we hear very many words. I was a governor for 2 terms. Na wakati nilikuwa governor, watu walikuwa wanalalamika sana. Unajua, katika nchi yetu ya Kenya, kila mtu anajua kwamba ukiangalia shamba na unataka kulima, hilo shamba lazima upalilie, uchimbe kwanza vizuri, upande, mbegu ikimea upalilie, uweke maji, ikikua vizuri, kuna tumbili, kuna ndege, wafukuze wanyama, ndio uweze kupata kile ambacho ulikuwa unapanda, ndio uweze kupata. Na wakishia kwamba serikali hii ya William Ruto iko na mpango, na wakati huu bado tunaendelea kupalilia, na wakati huu bado tunaendelea kukuza na kufukuza nyani na tumbili, wengine tumeshawafukuza wameenda nyumbani, ambao kazi yao ni kuharibu ule mmea. Na nchi hii najua kwamba kuja 2027 wa Kenya watakuwa wanauliza William Ruto ulifanya nini, na sisi tutakuwa tunaonesha serikali yako imefanya hiki na hiki na hiki. Kwa hivyo nawahimiza wa Kenya tusubiri na tuone, watch this space, kwa sababu mbele iko sawa. And it is now my pleasure to welcome His Excellency Honorable Musalia Mudavadi to say a few words and to welcome you to address the people of Kenya. Thank you, Excellency.